Hi guys, Porky here. Hope you're all well. Hope things are going well. Another beautiful autumn day. I hope your life is going well. I hope your business is going well. I hope everything's going well. Personally, latest update, I haven't had any reply from America, although I've emailed them 2 or 3 times, but no reply at all. I've been in touch with eBay a few times, just sort of saying, well, I'm trying, I'm finding out nothing from them. It's absolutely ridiculous that I got banned for that, but all I get from them is, well, the judge found you guilty. As far as we're concerned, you're, for the safety of our community, we have to ban you, and there's no chance of coming back. And I said, well, I think that's ridiculous, but that's your playing field. If you don't want me to play on it, well, I can't do a lot about that. So we just carry on regardless, just sort of, oh well, your loss, eBay, sorry. But yeah, I thought it was about time I'd done another unboxing. I've still got some boxes lying about here that need undone. Ain't got a clue what's in most of them as usual, but there's one of them I know has got a load of wallpaper in that I had for packing. But yeah, I'll just get everything set up and we'll see how we go. That's all we can do, really. Right guys, let's see what happened. Let's see what treasures behold within. You never know, as I say, you never know. Yeah, I went to a wedding the other day, at the rum wedding. There was 2 aerials got hitched. It's crazy, the wedding wasn't that good, but the reception was brilliant. Yeah, because I used to be in a band called Sold Out. That our gig posters, they were fantastically designed, but no one ever came. Couldn't understand it. It's ridiculous. Right, let's have a look what we got in here. Oh dear. Start off with, oh, I know what they are. Atami Sport resistant bands, the old circle rubber that you give it the old pull a muscle, tilt, doctors. Yeah, that's what they are. Oh, we've got quite a few of them. Five repeat uppers on a good day. Oh my god, they better be. Yeah, I hope you're all well, as I say. Hope things are going well for you. It's a pain in the arse, no eBay, but there you go. Out of my hands, I'm afraid. Right, next, oh, another one. Next we have what looks like a plastic mixing bowl. Whoa! Don't know if that's what I'd say officially. No, but that is definitely what it looked like. It's got measurements on the side. Quid. And we have a load of little storage jars. Little square storage jars. Come in handy for pins and buttons and various things. Sure someone can find a use for them somewhere along the line. I must admit, the other day I got in trouble. The wife asked me to pass her lipstick, but I accidentally passed her a glue stick. She still ain't talking to me. Don't know why, miserable old bag. What's up with her? That looks like a type of little kitchen knife thingy. Foreign, obviously. But yeah, that's what it looked like, a little kitchen knife of sorts. Slicer, peeler, something like that. Then we have a, looked like that was a pair once, but we have a, ooh, Victoria Knox Swiss Army knife. Woohoo! Everybody needs a Swiss Army knife to get the champagne corks out of their eyes when they pop them. Not that you can afford champagne nowadays. Can't hardly afford water nowadays, but there you go. I'll put that there, out of the way. Oh, another one of them. Gone well. Go on then. There. Got some food container boxes, foil food containers. Unfortunately, they've got no Chinese in them, so I'm going to have to carry on with this video. Do I be in the unit there, chomping away at chicken chow mein or something? But yeah, guess someone will be able to use them maybe. That's a quid or so. Here we have a something or other. It's got a plant and some sort of cottony stuff in it. Well, I don't know plant, but plant type things. Got no clue what that is. I'm going to have to do some research on that. Someone probably will, but I don't. Here we have a little game like, well, a bit like solitaire, I suppose. I don't know. It's Chinese. Got little cupcake type holders. Coloured balls. Don't know what the idea of that is. Let's have a see if we can see anything on there. Ah, it's to help the young kiddies, babies and young kiddies, sort out the colours. You put all the colours in there, and then they have to put the coloured balls in the right case. Oh, that's good. Someone will probably want that. Anything that helps kids is good. Yeah, certainly good. And last but not least, oh my God, what we got here? Da, 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 da. Ooh, aren't they pretty? Ooh, ooh. Look at them, aren't they pretty? Gold plated. Wow. Go on, fall on the floor, why not? And that one we have little forks and spoons. 1, 2, 3. There's probably some missing, to tell you the truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Yeah, look, there's only 4 of those. 2, 3. Oh no, there's 5. Little forks, little spoons. There must be something missing somewhere because there's only 4 boxes and there's 5 others. Yeah, I think that was if one of the boxes is missing, unfortunately. Pain, let's start looking around for that now. Knives. That's a 6-place set. Seems like it. Yeah, there's a gap there, so there's obviously a box missing, which is either big forks or big spoons. And it looks like it's big spoons that are missing. Yeah, it's a bit of a shame the spoons are missing, but oh well, hey ho, just have to do some detective work, see if I can find some. Because that would look a very nice set of us. Apart from that, I'll get in there. That's that box done. Bits and bobs, as per usual. yeah, that was God, I got in trouble at the bank today. I don't know, I went there this morning. This woman, elderly woman, she came up, she said, "Excuse me, can you help me check my balance?" So I pushed her over. Yeah, people went mad. I'm only trying to help, I mean, God's sake. Oh dear. Of course, he's a big one, said the bishop to the actress. Walking home this morning, my mate said to me, he said, "Well, they got a fence around the cemetery." I said, "Well, people are dying to get in, aren't they?" Oh, boom, boom. What's the difference between a car tyre, and 365 used condoms? One's a good year, the other's a bloody good year. Right, what we got in this one? Ooh. A photo frame clock. Pretty good. Loads of little photos. Quartz. Yeah, that might be alright. Something might on it. And that wouldn't lay stuff now. DVD. Unfinished Life. Brand new and sealed. Adam Kay. Kay's Marvellous Medicine. A wedding planner. That's what you so desire. Metal ring. Not bad. Huh. A porky mug. A little piggy mug. And that's very true, not to be taken for granted. That'll go well. They always go well, piggy items. I'm not saying that because I'm biased, but yeah, they always seem to go well. What we got here? My Little Pony notebook. Some kid will like that for a quid, won't it? Bit low. I'll stick that on the stool, that'll do. Oh my word, what we got here? A pair of slippers. A pair of laughing slippers. Laughing so loud. They look brand new, they don't look they've been used. You can't see. God knows what size they are. Left hand, you ain't got size on them. Hang on. I'm going to have to do a test. What was me? Oh, look at this. Piggy coasters. Brand new sealed again. Piggy coasters. You can't go wrong with piggy coasters. Couple of mini Boulder Dash games. Don't even know what Boulder Dash is personally, but yeah, I know, Shelton Close, never played Boulder Dash. Sounds about to be a game I'm used to, or good at I should say. Ooh, okay, we've got a bit of wrapping around this. Could be anything. Oh, still. It's falling about everywhere. Oh my god. Couple of little glasses. Snifter sherry glasses, I would think. Just glass, they don't sound anything. Oh, I've got a bit of a ring. Maybe alright. Again, someone may want them, you never know. You never know at all. I was thinking the other day, I was standing at work just thinking about being chucked off eBay and whether reselling, whether to carry on with it. And I thought to myself, I wouldn't mind a job cleaning mirrors, you know. It's just a job I can see myself doing. Little photo album. Sealed. Passed on that room here. A Snap-on Tools cookie cutter set. Brand new and open. I don't know why Snap-on Tools would do a cookie cutter set, but there you go. Weird, 6 different designs, durable food safe plastic, 4-inch cookie cutters, hand wash recommended. I've had a sticker off it, but I can clean off with the old glue gone. This box that never stops giving. A set of man's slipper socks. Just what every man needs. Especially this year when you can't have the heater on, you need your tootsies warm. The Boy Who Made Everyone Laugh book. Another children's book. A Secret Garden. Lots of people have read that, I bet. Ooh. A bra. Triple XL. Five-minute bedroom stories. Quite a selection. Recipe book, my favourite recipes. Write all your recipes in there for your Christmas puddings and things. Bit of smellies. Body lotion. A hug mug. What was I? Can't get enough of your hugs. Ah, look at that. Cool, isn't it? I'm gonna smash. Let's drop and smash. Hold on. Let's see what's going to happen now. And they feel like more glasses. We've got more glasses. What's this one? They seem like glass as well. Yeah, another glass. It's a wonder that survived in that box. That's it in that box. We'll try another one and see what's in there. Sort of stuck at the minute. No, what's in this one? Everyone, there's a couple in wallpaper. I mean, I've got some jigsaw puzzles in there. I don't want to brag, but I done one the other day in under a week. That's 2 to 4 years on that box. I thought I'd done really well. Pretty good for me. Put on it today. Wish I'd have brought a knife. 7 years in the back door. Right, see what else we got. See what else we got in this one. Okay, paper as usual. Ooh, pet water blower. Blow the water off your pet on his brush. Machine. Nozzle. Comb. Glove. Put on the back. Give them a groom. Some more on it. Check and make sure they work, but they should be worth a fair bit, I think. Box cost me 20 quid, but I should think they're more than 20 quid a piece for a blower. So it's got a fairly good pipe on it, so that's. Let's put a bit of puff through it. Handy, Harry. Don't have a clue what was in this one. A little sort of wrap round duster sheet type thing. Give them a dry off. I've got 2 of them in there. Something else in here, what have you got a clue what it is? Oh, that's nothing special. That's just like look like those thermal rolls. A bit too small for mine now, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're too small for mine. I've got 2 boxes of them as well, so. Like that. Because I know a lot of jokes about the unemployed, but none of them work. So I shan't want to tell them then. Put that in there out of the way. Run that room there. I said that once. I'll repeat myself too much. Right, let's have a look at this next one. Oh, that's heavy. I must be getting old. Well, I am 61. One warning I will give you about eBay: don't buy anything off Anna. That's her name. That's her username, Anna. My wife bought a crocodile skin handbag the other day. When we got it, that was snake skin. Anaconda. What are these? Look at them. I always give it this blank look when I got these sort of boxes, don't I? Can't help it, that's me. I bought a cheap Charlie Brown LP off eBay the other day. When I got it, that was a Davy Jones ones. But there, you know what they say, you pay peanuts, you get monkeys, don't you? Right, let's see if we can find out what this is. Here's a sheet of some sort. Oh, I see. That's cool, blimey, I've seen this for years. That's painting by numbers. You need, that's the guide. That's the same as, you can't see it, I know, but you need bleeding good eyes to see them numbers. But yeah, that's that. It's got that picture of that. That is that. I can see it. That is what the picture should end up like. It's all on canvas. Hang on, let's see if I can. It looks like they've got sample one open. Yeah, each set has got canvas. That's what it looked like. It doesn't show up very well, I know, but that's your canvas with all the picture on and all the numbers the same as a bit of paper. And these are the paint. The numbers on the paint correspond with the numbers on the. They've all got numbers on. That side and that side. And as you probably know from school, the numbers correspond with the numbers on this bit of canvas. So yeah, people love painting, don't they? They love a bit of the old craft. Hopefully, because I've got a bleeding red box full of them. Again. Oh, right, it must be, oh, I hate to think, can't think, 50, 60, maybe more. But yeah, hopefully that'll be a bit of Christmas entertainment for somebody, with a bit of luck. Right, one more box to go. Which one looks like this one? Can't. Back where it come from. I went to dinner with Gary Kasparov the other day. Used to be a big world champion in chess. I don't know if you remember him. But yeah, we sat there having dinner and we had a black and white check tablecloth. It took him 2 hours to pass me the salt. I was getting bored. Ah, right. This one was half open. Don't like it. We've got posters. Posters. My word. Oh, see if I can get one out of one of them. Although the old drug posters are, people do seem to like them. Next we have Nirvana poster. I've got no idea on these what sort of price they go for. I'll have to do a bit of homework for that. I've got one of them, not like it at the moment. saying to my mate, I said, what's the difference between an old bus terminal and a lobster with boobs? He said, I don't know. I said, one's a rusty bus station, the other one's a busty crust station. I'm here all week. Yeah, that frightened you, don't it? Knowing that, I wish I was here all week instead of being at work half time. Might be able to get stuff done. But there, you got to do work, ain't you? Of some sort. Especially with winter now coming up and things getting a bit more difficult. Right, what we got here? Blunt, and another drug one. Cannabis, 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 they all love it, don't they? So as I say, that's what they like, that's what they like. People like to have posters on the wall about drugs. I can't stand anyone who take drugs personally, like customs officers and police. What's you got to do with them? No, don't look like it. Just one energy saving tip I can maybe one energy tip I can give you for winter this year. If you're cold, go and stand in the corner of a room. They're nearly always 90 degrees in there. There's more drugs. Oh my word, look out, this is technical. Got everything on it. Oh, can we get it all up? Is it a vase? Henry VIII? I guess they're all types of God knows what. Got a nice selection here, haven't there? But as I say, people like them. Who am I to judge? Mine is not to reason why, mine is just to sell and buy. As Del Boy once said, on Only Fools and Horses, one of my favourite ever programmes. Bonnet La Douche. Oh, come on. Oh, I ain't got time. I'll put that back later. Keep you guys and girls any longer than I need to. Wind you up, I'll get probably gone now. Scarface. Say hello to my little friend, Al Pacino. That may well do well. May well do well in English here, as per usual. This one is easy to get out, rather. Sorry about this. This one is Jim Morrison. very moody. No one here gets out alive. Oh, where is it? That's what it says. It's very good. Again, I'll put that in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. I got a good find in one of these boxes the other day. Pencil that used to be owned by William Shakespeare. Trouble is, he chewed the end a lot. Now I can't tell whether it's 2B or not 2B. It's my kind of guy. It is the one and only Homer Simpson. Yeah! Oh! As you do quite often. Four of them. Still going, sorry. That's that. Might know what to say, but I don't know what I mean. Good. Kermit Klein. Oh, look at that. The old Kermit the Frog and his Kermit Kleins. Must be his own brand of, not green, it's black and white. Must be his old brand of underwear. Get Miss Piggy going. Two, three, four of those. This one is, oh, very nice hobby, bird watching. I should imagine these young ladies would get quite a few people watching them. There'll be some people would like them on their walls. I've got a few of those. They're still going. This one is. That looks very much like Natalie, Natalie Imbruglia, ex-Neighbours, pop star. Okay guys, I think that'll do. That's enough for me. I'll do the rest later on. I'll have another video sometime. One more before I go. This old couple in Norfolk, they went to a sex doctor's surgery. They went in, they said, excuse me doctor, can you watch us make love? Doctor sort of looked at him and went, well, yeah. He was impressed that two 80-plus-year-olds were still going at her. So he said, yeah, go for it. So they went away and carried on. He watched. when they finished, he said, "There's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with the way you make love," he said. They said, "Thank you very much," shook hands, thanked him, walked off. He charged them 50 quid. He was happy, they were happy. Way to go. Next week, come back again. "Can you watch us make love?" "Well, yeah, I guess so." So he did it again, 50 quid, off we go. This went on for a few weeks. After about the 8th week, the doctor said to him, he said, "I've got to ask," he say, "what exactly are you looking for?" Well, the old boy say, "We aren't actually looking for anything," he said, "but she's married, can't go round hers. I'm married, can't go round mine. Holiday Inn charge 98 quid. The Hilton charge 140. I do it here for 50 quid, and I get 43 back on my health insurance. Boom, boom." Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Here we go again. Thanks to Rich and James for getting me the subscribers, most of the subscribers I got. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. If you're bored, my non-reselling friends, if you're bored on a Saturday night, get onto the Nightlife's channel. You'll have a laugh, guaranteed. Okay, guys, look out yourselves. Do your keep of troshing. See you later.